Welcome to the introduction of the Our Financial Future stock market course. I started this channel because of the lack of information about investing and seeing other YouTubers out there just not giving the public the value they deserve. I just want to give people the information I know they deserve just so I can help everyone become a better investor. My course is to provide you with information that you can interpret it on your own and make a decision if it makes sense to you for your style of investing. My goal with my channel is to give everyone access to proper knowledge and do my best to educate people to be a better investor. The playlist is designed to watch each video in order, just like any other course you would come across. I made it that way so you could just specifically learn everything step by step, so the information was delivered to you in a proper way. I teach a Warren Buffett style approach to investing on how to compound wealth. I go through investing strategies, how to build a portfolio, the different types of investing vehicles, building a watch list, how to find good stocks, when to buy and sell stocks, and how to analyze management. I also go over what makes a company better than their competitors, spot stock market cycles, and how to read financial statements. I would recommend taking notes because I didn't hold back on any information, as I want everyone to find value in this course and learn as much as they can. I believe most investors can find value in this information that I'm providing, and I will be updating the channel with more content. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, as I am usually available for everyone going through this course. We are all in a chat group, and I will provide the links in the description so you can have access to it. I believe that we are stronger together than we are apart. My goal is to create a community that is based around coming together and building a strong connection. I am committed to providing as much value as I can with my channel. If there's anything you don't understand in the videos, feel free to leave questions in the comment section and I will get back to you. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do that because you will not want to miss out on the new course updates. Enjoy the course, and I can't wait to start this journey with you.